Hi everyone and welcome back to Phone Transformer, the channel where we help you make the most of your smartphone. In this video, we will show you how to hide contacts on your iPhone, so you can keep your privacy and avoid unwanted calls or messages. Hiding contacts on your iPhone can be useful if you have some sensitive or personal contacts that you don't want others to see or access. Let's see how to do both of them. Open the Contacts app on your iPhone and select the contact you want to nickname. Tap on Edit on the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Add Field. This will open a list of additional fields that you can add to your contact. From the list, tap on Nickname and enter the desired nickname for your contact. For example, if you want to hide your boss's contact, you can give him a nickname like Pizza Delivery or something else that is not suspicious. Tap on Done to save the changes. Your contact will now appear with the nickname instead of their real name, making it harder for others to recognize them. And that's how you can hide contacts on your iPhone. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to transform your phone. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.